This was a total impulse, but I had to try it. I had to try it, you know, for the purse science. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have an unboxing of a bag that was a total impulse. It's more like a DIY project. It is a purse that is a little dirty, but she was such a great deal. She's a Saint Laurent bag that is super popular, and I got her for under $1,000. And I went to Amazon and I got this kit that was recommended, high stars. And we're gonna see if we can make her new again. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember to hit subscribe below and ring that bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. We went to Amazon. We found a Suede cleaner. So this is a Suede bag. I looked at it and it didn't look too terrible. I have gotten bags in the past that were Suede that I was able to clean up by using a Suede eraser. So this isn't like a normal eraser and a brush, because sometimes Suede can look ratchet if she's not brushed, if she is not taken care of, not necessarily treated. But I've also done Suede cleaners on shoes and have them look nice, but I've never done it on a bag. And I figured because of this bag that I saw, it was under $1,000. It is a beautiful bag that I would love to buy, but normally it's over $2,000. So let's just see if we can fix her up. If not, I can always just return her. I'm hoping this isn't labeled fail. I'm hoping this is like awesome and you guys can find bags like these too and restore them as well. So let's just get to it. Let's open her up. Let me show you her and let's just see how bad it is. Because the pictures didn't look that bad and they're like in some bright lights. Like I'm in some bright lights right now, and sometimes that's very unforgiving. So let's try it now. And I'm in my casuals because I'm about to do a workout. I did put some lip stuff on for you. And here it is right now. And this bag is from Rebag, and they had just posted it. Since I am a Diamond member, I get a preview of all the items before everybody else gets it. It's like a 2-day preview. So I was just checking because I was just like drinking my coffee, enjoying myself, and checking what they had new out, and this popped up. Oh my goodness. I'm so freaking nervous, excited. I had to open it as soon as the doorbell rang. Okay, there we go. Right. Comes with its original dust bag. Why am I so nervous? I can return it, but like, I'm excited too. And here she is. This is the Saint Laurent small puffer bag in the cinnamon suede. Okay, let's examine her. Okay, so she has a little bit of darkening to the back, but she doesn't look that bad, guys. She has a little darkening down here, like just a little bit of darkening, but she's not bald. She's not going bald, but here is a close-up of it. And we're just gonna see what happens. But okay, I'm so hopeful. I'm so hopeful. There's like a little mark down here. See? Open her up. Let's see what the inside looks like. And it's a black interior. No, it just looks like a little bit of wear. Now she does have a little bit of an odor. It's not unpleasant, but I do smell like a little bit of a perfumey smell, but like it feels like a clean smell. So maybe, I don't know, maybe it was like how Rebag stores their bags, that maybe they put something to keep it fresh. I don't know. It doesn't smell bad. Like it's not overwhelming, but I do smell it. I don't smell like the leather, how you normally would smell the leather. So here's the bag here. Let's try her on. Let's do that part. And let's get into trying to make her pretty again. I'm just so excited. I got this for under $1,000. Okay. All right, let's get through the initial looks here. Okay, so here is she right here. Look how, like, this size is so cute, so beautiful. I love this color. I have this bag in the toy version, but this is the version I always wanted to get. However, adulting is hard and we have to make decisions on how we spend our coin. And here it is, cross body. Oh, so cute. Love it. And then just as a shoulder bag. Let's do the close-up examination for you guys. So you see how she's just, there's no bald spots, but she has like, it looks like there's a mark here. The most of the wear was to the corners and like up here, but I think that if we brush her out, and here's like a little bit of darkening to the back, like right here I'm noticing, but I think if we give her some TLC, some brushing, like I'm not seeing bald spots to the point where it's unsalvageable. Like this just looks like a little bit of dirt. Now I'm no professional, so I'm not like recommending people Suede cleaning their bags. This is just something I'm doing and I'm documenting it because I hope it works. I hope it works. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get the material out, show you, and then we're gonna do a small piece on camera, and then I'm gonna work on this bag a little bit off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll see if there's a difference. All right, so let's get this stuff out. What I found is this Jason Mark with 2 Ks. It's a Suede brush and effectively like lifts dirt from Suede. So one thing I've learned, and you can actually use regular erasers like for tennis shoes and stuff. Like if you have a Suede shoe, you get some dirt on it, like actual regular eraser will work too. But I decided to go profesh. So here we have the eraser in this kit. I don't know how much the kit costs, but I can put it down below for you. And this is the little brush to brush it out. And this razor is kind of goofy looking. Let's see if we can open it. Why can't I get you open? It's annoying. Come on. I'm in gardening, so I haven't done my nails. We can do this. We can do this, Jess. Okay, we got it. So my first thing I thought we could do on camera is this spot right here, like as a test spot, because obviously this isn't my bag officially yet. I haven't cut the tags off. I don't want to ruin it and put holes in it or whatever before I send it back. Put a little bit of eraser right here, and then I'm probably gonna give it a good brush, and let's see if this makes a difference in this area. So let's look right here, and then we're gonna put the eraser to that spot. I'll try to do it up like this so you can witness. So let's see. I mean, maybe it's just because I'm hopeful, but I think the spot looks lighter. Might be just all in my head because I'm super hopeful. And to be honest, like even just brushing this, I think that makes this look even a little bit nicer. Just giving it a good brush in that spot. But you can kind of see, like when you brush it certain ways, you can see it like kind of like come back to life. Okay, now I'm gonna work on this off camera and I'll come back. Okay guys, I am back. So let's give you a close-up. So I've done, trying to get in the light. Let me scoot back a little bit. I don't know if you can see it right here. So I have been Suede cleaning like a boss a little bit. So let's see, I only did this once fairly quickly just to see if we thought I could get it cleaner, but let me see. I'll put another picture of when I first opened it. I do feel like it looks a little bit better. The only part I'm having a little bit of a struggle on is this back part right here. It has the most darkening on, is this one spot right here, which makes me think it's like more like a color transfer type thing. So let me know. And like with that, when I'm wearing it, it's not something you're necessarily going to see. So for being, like I spent with tax and everything, it was $980 for this bag, which is normally around $2,800, I believe, or $27, because this is the small size, I believe, in this bag. And this is one of my absolute favorites. I love the St. Laurent Lulu puffer bag. I have 2 of them, so this would be my 3rd. And then I have the cinnamon Suede in the toy. So let me get that out so you can kind of see the difference of the Suede. So here is this Suede one. So you can kind of see the difference. And when you look at the back here, you can kind of see that this one does have a little bit of darkening in this spot. And just how the Suede looks sometimes is, you know, just needs brush. It'll look like there's some spots and things. but I mean, it doesn't look like it's in terrible shape. And the one thing I was happy about is this part right here had some dirt, and I feel like that cleaned up really well. I feel like the part that I need to work on more would be this back part, and it might not get completely cleaned. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I don't know. I'm leaning towards keeping her. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think this was successful? Do you think it's silly? I should just return it? Do you think it's a great price? I mean, yes, bags are gonna get wear on them, so it's not completely crazy to think that the Suede bags are gonna get some wear on them, but I really don't think it's so noticeable. But even with a little bit of wear, a little bit of grunge, I think that might be a cool look. Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again. Bye, guys.